Say hi, Grandpa. Is that SpongeBob? Say hi. Can you tell Great Grandpa hi? Tell him you made him a fish. Yeah. How did you make your fish, Hayden?
Uh-oh. Bun-bun.
Yeah.
Bun-bun.
Look, is this your fish? Is that your fish? How did you do your fish? With your fingers? Very good. Tell Grandpa bye-bye. Say love you. Blow him a kiss. Here. Blow him a kiss. Oh.